Hi guys, if you are looking for an investment, this property is good for you because pwede natin tong i-rent for short-term and a long-term rentals. So kapag short-term, pwede natin siyang ipa-Airbnb and pwede naman parang long-term, yearly. So upon walking here, this is our kitchen. Meron na po siyang tiles, lavatory sink, and a cabinet. So on the left side, here's our toilet and bath. It has a complete shower fixtures, naka-tiles na rin po, toilet bowl, and lavatory sink. We also have a provision for our auto washing machine. So dito naman po tayo sa ating first bedroom. So our first bedroom, ganito po kalawak ang ating first bedroom. It has also a power-coated na window. Yes, ganito po kalawak. And this gonna be our living area over here. So we can place our sofa here, we can put our television here. And yes, itong one bedroom, it has a balcony. So ganito po kalawak yung balcony niya. Sorry. So ganito po kalawak ang kanyang balcony. Yes. Again, this is good for our Airbnb business or it can be your primary home. So if you need help to assist you, just contact me on my contact information below.